Hi guys, this is Yoshida Dave Empollado. Now, I'll tell you what I have, what are the learnings in pilot ladder. So what is pilot ladder means? A pilot ladder is a high-speed special form of rope ladder, typically cast on board cargo vessel for the purpose of embarking and disembarking pilots. How to use pilot ladder? How to use pilot ladder is a pilot ladder should be ranging adject to the lower platform of the accommodation ladder and should extend at the least 2 meters above the platform. The second is the pilot ladder should be firmly attached to the ship's side 1.5 meters above the accommodation platform. So number 3, it is recommended that a 9-meter mark is intended so that the pilot can really find whether the distance from the sea level, the point of access, 9 meters or not. So ranging a pilot ladder for freeboard of 9 meters or less. The steps of pilot ladder are generally made of wood. So wood, and should be made in one piece. So dapat isa lang silang, and free of knots any regularly, and it should be free for sharp objects para hindi bala maputol or madamage yung ship nyo. So the steps should be horizontal and should be raised firmly against the ship's side. The fifth from the bottom must be a spindle. So what is spindle? The spindle prevents the pilot ladder from twisting. It should be a minimum of 180 cm long and the maximum of 9 steps and allowed between 2 spindles. The next is the surface of the steps must provide a safe and slip resistance foothold. The next is the pilot ladder should be permanently made at regular intervals so that it can be raised to required height without any difficulty. The next is the distance between the sea and the lower end of the pilot ladder. Depends on the size of the pilot's boat being used. The head of the pilot ladder should be regularly secured to the deck. Combination and arrangement for ship with freeboard or more than 9 meters. The accommodation ladder should be seated, leading a soft and pilot boat, not gain below accommodation ladder when the steps is processing forward. The accommodation ladder should be secured to the ship side. The angle of the slope of the accommodation ladder should be conjunction with the pilot ladder, shall never exceed 45 degrees. The next is the lower platform of the accommodation ladder shall be so adjust that it is a horizontal position. So that is the learning in my pilot ladder.